Welcome back to Easy Astronomy. Jay here. Just got a question for you. Have you ever held 4.3 billion years in your hand? Well, tonight I actually am doing that with these two meteorites that I own and have. These are from the Campo Del Cielo meteorites. They are, as I pull them out of their little container and hold it up for you to see, this is 4.3 billion years old, about the age of the Earth, and pretty cool. I get to hold, well, not just one, but I have two of them, and they are small and tiny, as you can see, since they're in my hand. But this is them, and what they are is these specimens are fragments of the Campo Del Cielo iron meteorite. It was recovered from the Chaco region of Argentina. The name translated from Spanish is the field of the sky, and it refers to a meteorite that occurred approximately 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. The site was known to the indigenous population down there. It was not discovered by the Western scientific community until 1576. The impact was a high energy event. The main body fragmented extensively upon atmospheric entry, broke apart, creating a strewn field containing at least 26 impact craters. This particular fragment is composed mainly of iron nickel alloys, specifically camosite and tannite, along with accessory minerals such as, and I'm going to massacre the names as I always do, sherberosite and trollite. Geochemical analysis reveals trace amounts of cobalt, phosphorus, and sulfur, making its composition remarkably similar to the projected makeup of the Earth's core. So I am holding not only 4.3 billion years in my hand right here, I am holding the same type of elements that we would find in the core of our Earth. I think that's pretty amazing. Okay? Let's see. One of the most diagnostic features of this meteorite class is called the Wilmot's pattern. And on my Easy Astronomy Patreon site, I'll have an image of what that is so you can see it. It's a distinct geometric crisscross structure as a result of the slow cooling of the parent asteroid over millions of years while in space, not after impact while it was up in space. The extremely gradual cooling allows the camosite and tannite phases to intergrow in a specific crystalline lattice. These patterns are only visible when a meteorite is professionally sliced, polished, and etched with weak acid solutions such as nittil. This process should only be performed by specialists to avoid irreversible damage to the specimen structure. I will never try that with this, and I'm not going to ever see it do that. These are tiny. I don't want to do it. I can tell you that I really love, and I'm hoping maybe if I hold it up close enough, if it will focus, you can see some of the structure on that. And as I turn it around, it's really hard, but I really like this side of it. Oh, come on, focus for me. There's some really fine structures and stuff in the meteorite. It's just really cool to look at. The age is approximately 4.3 billion years. This meteorite is nearly contemporaneous with the formation of the Earth. So this basically formed about the same time the Earth did. It is widely theorized to have originated from the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter, serving as a vital physical record of the early solar system's evolution. So I'm holding a bit of the ancient solar system in my hand here. Why is that significant? It's not, I guess. It's just that it's really cool to think that right here in both my hands, I'm holding something these fragments are 4.3 billion years old, and they've been around. They were originally were up between Mars and Jupiter, and then were flung into the inner solar system 4,000 to 5,000 years ago, impacting on the Earth after the main asteroid broke apart upon entry. I think it's fascinating. I know that I've talked to some people that have done meteorite hunting here in the West Desert of Utah, and they actually find fragments from now and then. I don't have a metal detector, and neither do some of them. What they do is they just get a pole and put a magnet on the end, and while they're waiting to observe, they just walk the area with their magnet, and they've actually pulled a few meteorites out. So you can now say that you've seen somebody hold 4.3 billion years in their hand, and hopefully you find that interesting. Meteorite collecting is a hobby that some people do. I don't. These are my only 2 specimens that I have right here. So anyway, and hope you have clear skies. My skies are nice and cloudy still. Will be probably for the next week. And but I hope you have a happy holiday, happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, and hope you're enjoying your family. I got to spend time with my grandkids tonight. It was wonderful. Have a great night. Talk to you soon.